Hello students. So today we will study about reflex action. So in spinal cord we have learned that there are some actions that are controlled by spinal cord and those actions are called as reflex action and it does not involve the brain. Right? So reflex action is a quick reaction to a stimulus without the involvement of the brain. So any change in the environment that has been detected by an organism is called as stimulus. So the automatic response of the body to a stimulus is called as reflex action. So it is an automatic response. The brain is not involved in this. The brain is not processing. The brain does not receiving the message. It is not processing. It is not instructing what to do. Here the spinal cord is involved. Spinal cord will direct what to do. So this is an automatic response of the body to a stimulus is called as reflex action. So let's understand this with the help of an example. A very common example which you might have observed in your day-to-day life. Suppose you accidentally touch a hot pan. You accidentally touch a hot pan. So the sensory nerve, it will carry the message to the spinal cord. It will carry the message to the spinal cord. Okay. And so the sensory nerve is carrying the message from here, from the skin to the spinal cord. And the spinal cord in return will send the message through the motor nerve. So it is sending the message through the motor nerve. And what message it will send? It will send that you have to remove the hand from the hot pan. So suddenly we used to remove our hand, isn't it? Without taking much time, if we touch something hot, we suddenly remove our hand from that object, isn't it? So such actions are called as reflex action and these actions are controlled by spinal cord and these actions does not involve the brain. Here the brain is not processing. We are receiving the message from the spinal cord. And these are very quick actions. Very quick reaction will take place. Because suddenly if you touch, we will instruct, automatically we will remove our hand. We won't take much time in doing that. Isn't it? Some other examples of reflex actions are watering of mouth. When you see or smell something delicious food, automatically we used to water your mouth, isn't it? Then another example is jerking of hand away. When you touch something sharp object, you will jerk your hand automatically. These are done automatically. So all these actions are included under reflex action.